Is Mississippi headed for recession? State economist Corey Miller thinks there is a 35% chance the state will face tough times. That's what he told the Legislative Budget Committee this week. Lieutenant Governor Delbert Hosemann, he believes that Miller is wrong. He believes recession is a sure thing, pointing out that Miller and others predicted 2.5% inflation this year, but we got 8. Meantime, Miller says the Mississippi economy slowed for sure, but called both the state and national economies resilient. To back up his case, Miller says more people are working now than before the pandemic, with 11,000 jobs below January 2020. Miller said the labor participation rate, that's people eligible to work, remains excessively low, though, at just 55.2%, when the national average is 62.4%. What's the holdup? A lack of workers, forcing wages higher. The invasion of Ukraine and supply shortages, mostly from China's COVID fears, all play a role. That all plays into the upcoming state budget. Mississippi has about $350 million in extra COVID money laying around. That could help during a recession. Meantime, State Department heads have their hands out for operating cash in the new fiscal year. Personnel Board head Kelly Hardwick says state pay increases could get as slim as 1.5% over several years. Mental Health Director Wendy Bailey wants an extra $26 million, mostly for better pay. Corrections Director Burl Cain wants $32 million more to avoid a federal lawsuit about the poor conditions in Mississippi prisons. Andrea Sanders, who runs Child Protection Services, wants $15 million more to help families who adopt children. So it's not just the grocery store where costs keep going up. Will it all result in recession? Nobody's crystal ball seems very clear at the moment. And that's the Mississippi economy by the numbers. Dennis Turner, the Delta News.